In order to record, upload, or edit videos in Panopto, open your course in Canvas and go to Panopto Video on the left side menu. You can either use one of the videos that you already have, or use the plus create button at the top to record or upload a new one from your computer. I'm going to use one of the videos that I've already uploaded to my Panopto. Click on the edit button to go to the editing panel. This is the editing panel. There is a timeline available at the bottom of the page that allows you to trim your clips. To do so, click and hold your trimming start location and then move your cursor forward and release when you're done trimming. You can do this as many times as you like. This will cut those frames out of your video. And when you play the video, you can see that those parts are skipped. You can also do the same but in the opposite direction to get those frames back to normal. To view your clip frames in more details, use the magnifier icon on the right to zoom in or out. That gives you a better chance when you want to focus on trimming. You're also able to add subtitles to your clips. To do so, go to Captions on the left vertical menu and click Import Captions. In here, you can either use the automatic captions suggested by Panopto, or you can write or upload your own subtitles file. It is also possible to edit the captions in case there were any errors. All you need to do is to click on that part of subtitle and then start typing your own. After you're done editing, click Apply at the top to save the changes. In case you saved the changes by mistake, don't worry, you can use the revert button to get everything back to its original state. You can hide or unhide captions using the caption button next to audio adjustment. It's also possible to adjust the speed of the video according to your need next to captions. In addition, if you click the three dots icon next to video speed setting, you can have access to more caption settings like your caption position in the video, its color, or even its size. To add another clip to your video, first select the frame that you want to add the clip to from your timeline, and then click the plus icon on the top of your timeline next to the scissor. Then click Add a Clip. Now select the clip from your Panopto library, scroll all the way down, and click Insert to add the clip to your video. Then you can see that your new video is added to your timeline. Just the same as before, you're free to trim or adjust your clip's position in your timeline. And don't forget that you can always use the undo or revert button to go back to your original edit of the clip. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for taking your time and watching this video. Take care.